Tired of paying full price at the pump? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to using your Sam's Club gift card for gas and saving you money. First, let's talk payment options. Sam's Club gas stations typically accept credit cards, debit cards, and the star of our show, Sam's Club gift cards. Keep in mind that cash is generally not accepted at the pump. Now, at the pump, begin by inserting your Sam's Club gift card into the card reader. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through selecting your fuel grade and authorizing the purchase amount. Choose your desired fuel grade, typically regular, mid-grade, or premium. Be sure to select the grade that's right for your vehicle. The price per gallon will be clearly displayed on the screen. Once authorized, remove the nozzle from the pump and insert it into your car's fuel tank. Squeeze the handle to begin fueling. The pump will automatically stop when your tank is full or when you reach the pre-authorized amount. Important: if you don't use the full value of your gift card, the remaining balance will stay on the card for future use. Some pumps will even display the remaining balance right on the screen. You can also check the balance online or at a Sam's Club customer service desk. Keep in mind that some restrictions may apply, so it's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions on your gift card or the Sam's Club website for any limitations. This is not typical. And that's it. Using your Sam's Club gift card for gas is a simple way to save money and make the most of your membership. Drive safe and happy saving.